In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to the Netherlands in Remitly. To get started, open the Remitly app and sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, go ahead and create one first, then log in so you can access the money transfer options. Make sure you are using the correct account and that your information is up to date, because this helps avoid delays later in the process. Once you are inside the app, look at the country selection at the top of the screen. Tap on it and choose the Netherlands as the destination country. This step is important because Remitly will then show you the transfer options, delivery methods, and payment details that are available specifically for transfers to the Netherlands. After selecting the Netherlands, click on Send Money. This will take you to the main transfer setup screen, where you can begin entering the details for your transfer. Take a moment to review the screen carefully, so you know you are sending to the right destination before moving forward. Next, you will choose the recipient. If the person you want to send money to is already saved in your contacts within Remitly, simply tap their name to continue. If they are not saved yet, choose the option to add a new contact. Then, select their country as requested and continue entering the required recipient information. Be careful here and make sure everything matches the recipient's real details exactly, since even small mistakes can cause issues with the transfer. After that, enter the amount you want to send. As you do this, Remitly may show you the exchange rate, transfer fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. It is always a good idea to review these details before continuing, so you understand the total cost of the transfer. Now, select the delivery method. The available options may vary depending on the destination and the recipient setup, so choose the one that works best for your recipient. Then, select your payment method for funding the transfer. This could be a bank account, debit card, or another available option shown in the app. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's account details if required. Carefully fill in the information and follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the transfer. Before submitting, double-check all details one last time to help make sure your money reaches the right person without unnecessary delays.